Hi. I know I am late on this factoring, so yeah, I'm sorry. But at least I'm posting it, right? Should count as something, right? Whatever. You like whatever. Should have posted it on the day you said you was posted it. But I'm sorry. It's like a lot been going on. Like for real. Like these last few weeks, I'm just trying to get everything together. I'm cleaning out my room. And yeah, I'm rambling. But whatever. Back to factoring. So I actually did it. I figured out how to do it again because I kind of forgot. But now I remember. So yeah. Factoring. So I'm not even gonna look at my phone. But yeah. So this is how you do factoring. Okay, can you see that? Okay. First step, this is the actual problem, the x plus 4 in the parentheses and the x plus 2. The multiplication sign, of course, and first thing I did, okay, can you see my little tab or whatever it is? First step is multiply the x. So x times x is, I put it down here, x squared. It's not 2x, it's x squared, okay? Because you're multiplying. Okay, second step. I don't know if you can see that. I drew the arrows so you can see. I did x times 2. And then I got 2x. You see the difference between this and this? Then the third thing, all you're doing is multiplying across. You see how I drew the arrows? That's exactly how you should do it in this problem. We get problems like this. So then after that, I multiply 4 times x. I multiply 4 times x. And I got 4x. Then the fourth step, I multiplied 4 times 2. How I drew the arrow. And then I got 8. Then I set it up again like this. I took x squared, brought it to the bottom. I just basically lined them up. The reason why I got I have the plus signs is because they're all positive numbers. So if it was a negative, then you put a subtraction sign. So being that is positive, all positive numbers is x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. Okay, I set it up. The sixth step is I add like terms. So I did 2x, I did 2x plus 4x. 2 plus 4 is 6. So I set it up. This is the answer right here. X squared plus 6x plus 8. It was no more like terms up here to add, so that was it. You just had to do that. So, you see how I did it? Yeah, this is just basically how you do it. You're just multiplying and then add the like terms and you'll get your answer. Factoring isn't that hard. This second problem I'm about to show you is kind of hard. Because it tripped me up even. That's why I tried to do this. Because I was like, oh yeah. But this one right here, it might not look like it's a lot, but it is because I wrote it short. Because I didn't want to make my video too long. Okay, this says x squared take away 6x plus 9. So with that problem, you have to find what adds to negative 6 and multiply by 9. So right here, I wrote a little note. It says first find out what adds to get -6 and multiply by 9. That's my first step. That's what factoring basically is. And my second step is I figured out what adds to -6 and multiply by 9. And I got -3 was my answer. So -3 plus -3 is -6. You see how this is the -6. And then -3 times -3 is +9. You see, it has to correspond. If it don't, you're going to get the wrong answer. So make sure. That's what factoring is. Finding out when number is added up to this number in the middle and multiplied by the outside number. So it has to be the same number. So that's how I got, this is the answer right here. The reason why I got the x to the second power outside like that instead of putting 2 parentheses is because it's an x right here and you multiply that. So x times x is x squared. I mean x times x is x to the second power. So it's a parentheses x, and then this is a -3, so you make it look like that. You put it in the parentheses and you put to the second power because x times x is x to the second power. So, and plus you put it to the second power because you can put it that way, but it's going to be incorrect because it has 3 x's. Yeah, because this is x to the second power up here. So hopefully I explained that right. I know that sounds confusing, but I'm probably going to make another video about this exact one, because it was kind of tricky because I kept getting it wrong for some reason. But yeah, that's how you do that, those two. My next video is probably going to be some more arithmetic reasoning questions or some more math knowledge. I don't know, it depends on what I find in my Asvab book. But yeah, whatever ones I come across and I feel like you should know, I'm going to make a video about it. I'm running out of space with my notebook. I need to get a new notebook. But whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I want to say tomorrow. I always say tomorrow, but then I don't get around to it. But yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm looking down. I'm looking at my phone because yeah, she is funny. But I met some people from the group that I told you about, the April Shippers 2014, because I leave this month, and they're really cool. I met 2 people that leaves on the same day as me, so hopefully I will see them at RTC. Yeah. I'm sorry. So yeah, I got 20 days, just 20 days left. I'm so used to saying 20 something or 30 something, like forever. But yeah, I have 20 days left, you guys. Like, I am so excited. I'm gonna make a video when I'm about to go to the hotel. Well, I'm gonna make a video while I'm at the hotel, and I'm gonna make a video while I'm at the airport. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. I don't know all my like general orders yet, but I mean, I know all my general orders. I don't know my all chain of command is because it's so hard to look up. Everything always changing. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video about whatever I can think of that's in that book. I'm gonna try to make as many videos as possible, but you know how that goes. I'll be so busy. But bye, you guys.